Ladies and gentlemen, Keith from iRepair Autos. I don't normally promote or push products, but I just came across an awesome product. I've known about it for a while, decided I'd give it a try. AT205. This product stops leaks fast. You can put it in your oil, you can put it in your transmission fluid, you can put it in your power steering fluid. You cannot, I'm not gonna repeat myself, you cannot put it in your brake line or your brake fluid. Do not do that. But this product is amazingly fast. It works, it seals oil leaks around your oil pan, your rear main seal. And I'm gonna get some comments from subscribers and so on. Why would you do this? Hey, if you have a rear main oil leak, that's a big job. You gotta drop the transmission to change out that part. If the leak is not too bad, you can add this. It rejuvenates the oil seals, it softens them, it fills in any little cracks. And I swear this works. All the other products don't work, they just clog up the engine. This will not clog up the engine. Let's get to it. Hey, but before we get started, I know you've been meaning to subscribe, so do that now. Thanks. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the product. This will treat up to 6 quarts of oil and or transmission fluid or your power steering, your hydraulics or your differential. So you gotta mix it appropriately and accordingly. This treats up to 6 quarts. If you're wondering what this looks like, it looks like clear water, and I'll show you. Of course, it's not water, but it looks like clear water. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add it to this 5 quart of synthetic oil. It works in synthetic, and it works in regular oil as well. And remember, this treats up to 6 quarts. So what I'm gonna do, this is a 5 quart. I'll add the rest of it and then adjust. I'll add another quart of oil to the whole thing. So ladies and gentlemen, knowing the measurements, you can add it directly to your oil like that. But since I'm a little bit more picky, I've added it to the 5 quart jug. So I'm just gonna add it that way. Remove the oil, add a funnel. I've already removed the amount of oil that I need to add back, so I'm just gonna add it in now. Some of you may be wondering, how did I remove the amount of oil? I have an evacuator that I use. Once you're done adding the additive, drive the car for 5 hours to ensure that the sealant has sealed all the leaks. Check your oil or transmission fluid level depending on which one you added, and enjoy. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.